Hello everybody, this is Richard from the EEFIT team here in Palu. We've spent an interesting couple of days looking at some of the effects of the hazards that occurred following the September earthquake, including the tsunami, the ground shaking, some liquefaction, and we've also seen some pretty major landslide events that have happened in the Palu area. So just to demonstrate some of the findings that we've made, we've potentially identified a key causal factor contributing to the mass movement events. So this is an aerial photograph, satellite imagery of the central Sulawesi area. This is Palu Bay here, the city of Palu is here. And yesterday when we were in the field in an area called Potobo where there'd been a major landslide, at the headscarp of the landslide we noted a man-made irrigation channel that was feeding water to a lot of the agriculture on the eastern side of the valley. And on the aerial photography, we followed this drainage channel and managed to trace it back to where it meets the main river here. So if I zoom right in, this is a confluence here, so there's a pretty major structure here. This is the main river, and then the man-made irrigation channel goes off here. And we traced this all the way up the valley towards Palu. And you follow it this way, and you can see that it terminates right around here. So this is the very end, and it doesn't continue from here. So if we turn on the post-earthquake satellite imagery, you can see that this is Potobo, the town of Potobo, what used to be the town of Potobo here, and there's a pretty major landslide that's happened. So a lot of the water that's running off the mountains and that should be flowing down the main river into Palu Bay, a lot of it's being siphoned off to this irrigation channel and gets to here and is accumulating. It's got nowhere to go, so it's just saturating the ground, increasing the pore water pressures in the ground, which has potentially led to a catastrophic failure. Also, if you trace the irrigation channel back, there's another major landslide here that's happened, also activated at the the very boundary of the irrigation channel, and it's quite clear that looking at the imagery that above the irrigation channel the ground is quite dry. It's very brown up here, whereas down here where most of the agriculture is, it's very green. So that suggests that the ground is particularly wet below here as opposed to above here. That's all for now. Cheers.